Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson and her grandmother, Sonia. Alexis is 9 years old. Up tall, please. Do you want it? You gonna get it? Up tall, please. And we're working on the transitions from low to tall kneel and then maintaining her balance in tall kneeling. You got your balance, sweetie? I made the mistake. All right, you can go ahead and give it to her and see if she'll stay up. Can you shine it?
Stay up. Stay tall knees.
Up, 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 up. Uh-oh. You have to be up tall if you want to play. Up here. Come up and get it. Up tall. Come and get it.
Here.
Go, 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 go. That's right. Now get it. Stay up tall. Stay up tall like a big girl. There you go.
She's still holding on to it.
Okay. If you want it, you have to be up tall. Nice job, Alexis. So she can hold this position independently, and she loves flashlights, so it's an easy way to work on this transition from low to tall half kneel. As soon as she gets it, she goes down. Then she doesn't have it, so she comes back up. You gonna get it? Yeah. It's great work on hip strength. A lot of kids who are involved more in their lower extremities and their upper, more in their upper extremities and their lower extremities, learn to walk more on their knees. For Alexis, she does more crawling on her hands and knees like this. So tall kneel ends up being a place to work on balance and hip extension strength. Go up tall and get it. I hope this is an easy idea of something you can do at home to work on balance and hip extension strength and transitions. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.